Hi everybody, we're getting ready to go to San Pablo to pay some bills and have breakfast at one of the restaurants we like to go to. If you like these videos, please press your like button, and if you like, subscribe so you can get to see everything. This is us going. Good morning, Norms.
Good morning.
Hi guys, we stopped here at the car wash. Car's getting kind of dirty, so we thought we'd come and get a car wash. They do a pretty good job here. This is his little shop area. So we look around, see how we're doing. Look at the dog on the table.
There. Clean car.
So you didn't take a video of how clean the car was, huh?
You know, I don't know how to do it.
It's very simple. You walk around the video and show
Please
me.
hold this. I'm going to get my belt. You don't forget that.
Well, we just got done with the car wash and Norm didn't take any movies of the car. But we're on our way now to San Pablo, have breakfast. Bye.